Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Huawei X Gentle Monster Eyewear smart glasses and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these glasses are not connecting to something, or they're not syncing with your app or pairing with your device, or if they seem to be not responding, any kind of issues like this where it's not working can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now the second reason you might want to do this is, if for whatever reason you just want to set these glasses up as a brand new set of glasses coming out of the box with everything wiped off of them, we can go ahead and do that. This will do that. So all we need to do is put the eyewear in the case, leaving the case open so that we can actually see the light, the indicator light on the inside of the case. And there's no battery inside the case, so the case will actually need to be plugged in for this to work. And then while it's plugged in, we're just going to press and hold the function button for at least 8 seconds, keeping an eye on that indicator light on the inside of the case. And when that blinks red, then that will indicate that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and take your glasses out and set them up as a new set of glasses.